the kitchen.
Not exactly.
So today, we got a new GoPro from Costco. So we're gonna compare it to our old one.
And we recorded our old one. We recorded it. We already put a video when we recorded in Cuba.
Yes.
So you can see the quality of this one. And then after this, before we go on vacation, we're gonna check in our pool how the quality of this one is. We're also gonna put that video soon. Yes.
So now we're going to open it.
Yeah. There. Oh, it came in a fancy case. Wait, slide it out like this.
On this part.
I'll take that.
Wow, nice.
It has a very fancy case. Wow. Well, there's a lot of stuff in here. We have, I'm guessing, batteries. Don't know what that is.
Something to screw on the battery thing for inside.
Okay, let's get it out. Show me.
Let's get the camera carefully. Wow, this camera?
Instructions.
It's bigger. You can tell it's bigger, right? And it has like a little screen here. And we have the...
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it has a
completely
screen here.
different.
And then on the back, it has a screen
Let's
too.
see. So this is the previous one we had. Okay, let's see this one.
This one has like a miniature screen so you can see like...
Selfie!
Yeah, we can do selfies now.
So
How about the back?
That
it
one
has
is
a screen.
to record the view.
So you can actually see
when
what
you're
you're recording.
recording.
And this one we can, well, we couldn't see anything. We were
And that's why our
recording.
recording, like sometimes it would come out backwards. I don't know how that happened, but...
Well, I like the camera. That's a big difference between them too.
It has a little logo, the GoPro.
Mm-hmm.
It has stickers for it to put on.
Wait, what?
Wow, I like it. That's a big difference.
And the on button.
You can see yourself here. I like that idea.
The on
And then
button is
here
in the
too,
same
because
spot.
you can see where you're recording.
And then you have an on button on the same spot though, so that's a similarity.
Oh, that's nice. Yes.
So you can, like, if you, like, you're adapting to the other one, you can still see that the on button is on.
What else is here?
We have the
Okay.
chip for memory.
The memory.
We have
A
that
charger.
for the battery inside.
Oh, that's for the charging the batteries, right?
So these are the batteries. Oh, nice.
I thought they were very scary. So if you get a GoPro from Costco, they always have something a little extra to add. And in this case, it's another battery.
And a case, maybe.
Ooh, we just love Costco.
What would this be? Has like a sticky
Oh, it's, you know, it's different adapters, however you want to put your camera, but we like to use that. Okay, so let's turn it on and...
Get in the water.
Exactly. And this one, you can connect it in your phone.
Oh, yeah, that's
So we can use our app. Yes. So we're going to do that.
It has a little charger in here too.
We will show you.
So now we're going to add in our chip and battery. And you have this little thing that you can open.
And you see right here, this is where you want to slide the chip in.
And that goes on top.
Yeah.
The letters. Wait, chippy. Goes this way.
And you have to push it all the way in. And do not force it.
Press it.
I think it's good in there.
No. Now
it
it
is.
is.
You
Hear
have
that
to hear
click,
the
click?
click.
Yeah, I hear
Yes.
the click.
And the battery has
those
two
little entries.
Yes, two line. And do not pull this off because it's gonna help you get it out.
Yeah, and you see it has to go into like there.
Yes, we see it. Muy bien. You close.
So I'm gonna show you how to turn it on. So you have the camera, and then on the side it's gonna have the on button. And it's gonna beep when it turns on, and it has a there.
Hi.
Hi. You have those two screens.
That is so cool.
Say hi, Ian.
So how do you start recording?
So you start recording with this little red button up here.
Okay.
Want me to record? No? Okay. So we're gonna put it on our selfie stick. The stick. And we're gonna jump in the pool, test the color. Okay, so let's get ready to jump in the pool. Okay, Ian, ready for underwater adventures?
I am going to jump from the greatest height of all.
Come on, Ian, another recorder over here. 3, 2, 1, cannonball! You're a reporter over here. Hi. Hi, reporter over here. Nice. And hi, reporter over here too. Let's do an underwater view. Oh, I'm still recording. Now we'll go to the great sea of the unknown. I heard that!
Yeah, Ian has a face.
That is not true! Do not listen to her! Right here is her trying to sneak. I don't know where you are. No, Eileen. You just want to use money. It's not actually yours, you know. It's not really yours. And these are my fellow friends in my neighborhood. As you can see, Leslie and Andrew. What is it, Andrew? Yeah, that is true. Okay, let's go in the water for more. Who wants to see my other followers on Instagram? Okay, let's go over there and climb some stuff. Yeah, do not listen. So here we are at the Great Wall of China. Yep. And I am going to jump. Here's the view. Look at this great view. So yes, this is my house. This is my patio. This is my pool. This is my couch area.
And this is my sister.
And this is my playground.
And hello guys, I'm over here. Anyone be seeing me? Hello? I'm Ian's sister. Hi, thank you for interviewing me here. So, oh my gosh, the camera is amazing. We noticed that on this camera, it left like little water droplets when you come in and out of the pool.
And this one doesn't.
And like it would dry out on here and leave like weird little stains. On this one, not a problem. Nothing happened.
And did you see all of my amazing jumps? The view, everything. And this one can
record
in
5K, and 4K, 2K, and 1080p.
And you can put cinematic in the back too.
Oh, yeah.
There's many things that you can do with it. We're still playing with it. We're still learning.
Slow motion too.
Yes. So we will do more videos.
And stay tuned for our videos of our trip.
We're not gonna tell you where we're going, so you have to stay tuned and watch the videos so you can find out.
Okay, guys. So if any of you have this GoPro,
It's 10, right? Yeah, 10.
GoPro 10.
And if you find out anything else that's super cool that this camera can do, please let us know because
We really want to know.
yes. And what was I gonna say? Yeah.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell.